here we go. I'll explain verse 6. Okay, because I'm just speechless. Romans chapter 8, my bad. Romans chapter 8, verse 6. I see 7 right here. Romans 8, 6. It says, so letting your sinful nature control your mind leads to death. We all used to do this. Our sinful nature used to control our mind. I gotta smoke. I gotta fornicate. I gotta do this. I gotta do that. Our sinful nature, it controlled our mind. Or it could even be, it's a sin to not put God first. Amen. Love God above all else. That's the first commandment, the most important.